Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I have a foundation find for you guys. I'm going to be going over the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I'm excited to do this because I saw so many great reviews. I really didn't see any bad reviews, so I'm excited to try this out. If you want to know how I feel about this foundation, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I feel like I haven't done a foundation find in so long. It feels honestly really weird actually doing like a talk through video. But so I've already went ahead and used my primers. I know this is an luminous, supposed to be glowing foundation, but at the end of the day, my skin still knows what's up. I'm oily. So I went in using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, the mattifying one, and then I went ahead and used the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer as well. And then since this is a glowy type of foundation, I did put a little bit of Airspun on my T-zone area. So let's go ahead and move forward with the video. So as mentioned, I am using the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. I got it in the last shade, which happens to be Deep Ebony. I'm gonna read what this foundation claims to have, do, etc. It says, for details, we can't even. The NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation is so glorious. Available in an inclusive range of 45 true flattering shades, our formula delivers a buildable medium coverage and a natural radiant finish that lasts. This natural glow foundation tube is the key to creating a truly radiant look, whether you are looking for foundation for dry skin or foundation for oily skin. Okay, so it accounts for both. I thought it was just dry, but hey, it says you can use it if you have oily skin also. This liquid foundation blends like a dream with buildable coverage and even works with your skin to help create a smooth, even toned look. Featuring a vegan formula with no animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. All NYX Professional makeup products are proudly cruelty-free and PETA certified. So, benefits: naturally glow foundation in 45 shades, buildable medium coverage that lasts all day, best foundation for a dewy glow, and honey, they said best, they come for everybody. Cruelty-free vegan formula. So let's go ahead and see what this shade looks like on me. I like the color. I can say that off top. I'm really liking this color. It's a nice color. Okay, let's go ahead and just dot this all on my face. Hey guys, this is what the foundation looks like on my skin. Y'all, I think I have a new go-to. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I might have a new go-to. First off, let's get into the color. So this is the color on me. I know the ring light is kind of gonna portray a different shade, but it's not too off to my natural skin tone. And this is how it dried on me also. So it honestly doesn't look too luminous. It definitely looks more luminous than my other foundations. Mind you, I usually go for more matte foundations. So it's definitely, it looks to me more like my actual skin, like how my skin would look like when I'm fresh out the shower and I'm dried off before the day starts and I start getting oily. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Yeah, it looks better than what I thought it was gonna look. I literally thought I was gonna look like Crisco. Like I thought I was gonna look oily, and I don't. NYX, I love it, and I love that's buildable. Like I could probably go for maybe one more coat, a half a coat. I wouldn't put a whole coat on my face. because this actually looks really good. I'm excited. What? I did not know I was gonna do this. But okay, one, I like the color. Comes in 45 shades, so that's good. Mine was the last one as mentioned. It was Deep Ebony. It doesn't dry oily. Like I thought, well, not even oily. I was just expecting more of like a dewy finish, and it's kind of like a demi matte. That's what it reminds me of, a demi matte feel. Like it's not too matte, but it's also not dewy. Yes, I actually really like this. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and give y'all my final thoughts on the foundation and how it's going so far. Okay guys, so this is what my makeup looks like. You guys, I'm telling y'all, this is about to be my go-to for a little bit. Like, it's really about to be my go-to. I really like this foundation. I love how it applied. I love the finish. I love the color. I love the undertone. It matches me so well, you guys. Like, I can't believe my makeup looks like this. Like, the way I really thought my makeup was about to look with this foundation, like, I dragged this foundation in my head. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I was dragging it before I even tried it. Like, and that's why you don't assume things, because I am really glad that I ended up picking up this foundation. I really like it. Like I mentioned, the shade, the undertone, I love the finish. It's more so of a demi matte. I know it says to glow. I really don't get, now mind y'all, I did put on highlight, but I really didn't get a huge glow from this. It was more so of a demi matte, like a very soft matte finish, right? So, and that's what I actually really liked about it, because I thought it was gonna be super glowy, super dewy, and I have oily skin, so I was just like, that's not gonna work. But I really like the finish. The finish worked well with my skin, especially since I did go ahead and take the precautions that I normally do with my mattifying primers, and I also did put powder on my face as well. I feel like it worked wonderful with all those things. I felt like it was easy to go ahead and put on my concealer as well. It wasn't a rough foundation. You guys, I think this is a keeper. I think this is definitely a buyer as well. Like, I like this foundation. Now, this does retail for $10, which is very cheap. You know, I feel like drugstore foundations are starting to increase their price a little bit. So the fact that this was only $10 is definitely a steal. You can get this at Ulta, which means you can, of course, use their coupon, you know, that $3.50 if you spend $15. So if you just add something else into your bag, then you can end up easily getting something for $15 with this foundation, and then using that coupon. They also do a lot of $10 off, 10%, 15%, like they do a 20, sometimes they do 20% off. Like, they do a lot of those coupons, so you can always use that and get this foundation for less than the actual price, which is $10, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video, since I already told y'all basically I really like this foundation. I definitely do recommend it. It's definitely dark skin friendly, which is what we need in the world. So if you're still watching this video, please go ahead and like that button. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing, baby girl? Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.